Hello students, myself Dr. Abhay Grover. This video is all about your summer internship. This is the first video, introductory video about summer internship. Detailed sessions we will arrange soon. One more video or the document I will share with you soon related to introduction of placement team. That in my placement team, who handles which responsibility, like OGT, PEP classes, and there is a new person who is going to join our placement team soon who will handle your summer internship. But as it is critical to start and collecting your data, so I am giving you this first introductory video related to summer internship. Please listen to the video very carefully. Each and every point is very critical. What are the dates of your summer internship? The exact dates are already given in your academic calendar. You are supposed to do it in June, July. We will inform you the dates by my messages also. Here, as the undergraduate and postgraduate both are listening to this, so we are not disclosing the dates over here, but you can check your academic calendar. After your exam in June, July, you are supposed to do. Duration is 45 days if you are arranging your summer internship by yourself. If your summer internship is arranged through university, then dates are decided in between discussion with university and the company. There are two ways to arrange your summer internship. One is through the help of university and another is self-arrangement. Through the help of university, you must be registered for career services. You must be registered for career services. If you are registered for career services, you have two options. One is self-arrangement, means you can still opt that I will arrange my summer internship by myself, right? Because if a company is through university, there are some points which you have to follow. And if you think that I want to arrange by myself, then you have that option. But approval is mandatory. If you are arranging the internship by yourself, how to take the approval? We will guide you soon about that. And obviously, if you are registered through university, you have the option to arrange your internship with the help of university. That you can say that I want. In this case, the company will be floated on portal or through Google form. We will take your data. On the day of company, you have to arrive at the place or the drive is being conducted, summer internship drive. And you have to participate in the process. If you get selected, in that case, you have to join that company during your June, July or whatever the duration is being told to you. If you are not registered, that's why I have highlighted, if you have not registered for career services, the option you have is self-arrangement only, right? Because through university, we can provide it to the students who are registered for career services only. Again, the point is, if you are arranging the internship by self, then approval required is mandatory. There will be some students who will say that, sir, I don't want to register for career services due to some reasons, like I want to opt for entrepreneurship or I want to do higher studies. Is there any way the university can help? The answer is, chances are less, but we will arrange some companies, 5 to 8 companies through the department level, and we will provide the opportunity to sit in those companies. If you get selected through university, then you can join, but those number will always be there. For other students who are registered for career services, you will have good number of options in this case. Now, all the students who have received the message in UMS My Message, you are supposed to do summer internship this year. I repeat, all those who have received this message on your UMS, you are required to do summer internship in this year, June, July. The further details, which form to take approval and all that, I will share soon, again repeating. But this is the first form which you are required to fill by 19th Jan 2025, Jan, this month only. This is called academic detail form. We need your details to pitch into the company and for other purpose, like you are active and you have received the message and your option. So this first form is very much mandatory. Let's not waste the time and quickly look into the how to fill the form. Many students do mistake in filling this form. So listen how to fill the form very carefully. So this is how your form looks like. First, you need to log in into your Gmail ID. You will log in. Then you will first write down your correct registration number, check it twice, your name as you are going to appear it on degree and all other things, your class name, so proper name will be written, your language known, very easy, like I know English, Punjabi, Hindi, writing and speaking, so I have written with slashes, so whichever language you are comfortable in. Date of birth, student do mistake in filling the date of birth, so you will click on this link. From here you will select your year, which year you belong to, right, your birth, right, which month, right, and you will select your date. So date of birth will be selected like this. Then your native state in which you belong to. We have put all these states over here, Indian states. In case you are international student, you will select this. If you are an Indian student, you will choose your appropriate state. Then you will write down your graduation stream. If you are right now in graduation like BCom or BBA, you will then also select this. If you are right now in MBA, then you will select your appropriate graduation stream, right? In case of BCom, we have only given one option, BCom honors and everything will come over here. In case of BSc also, we have given BSc all streams over here. In case further details are required, we will contact these students, but you will choose your appropriate graduation stream, very important. Then you will write down your percentage in graduation. If you are currently in graduation, whatever percentage you have till now, you will write down. Then comes a very important point, work experience. If you have anywhere higher experience, more than summer internship, 45 days and 2 months experience, you will mention over here. The experience should be mentioned in number of years. If you have a 9 months or 10-month experience, right, in case of 9, you will write down 0.9. In case of 6, you will write down 0.6. If you have 2 years of experience, you will write down 2. If you have 3 years of experience, you will write down 3. If 11 is mentioned over here, means you have a 11 year of experience. Now there is a probability that you have experience more than in one company, right? In that case, you will write down the name of company of last company in which you have worked, for which, or the company in which you have a significant amount of experience. Example, if you have 4 years of experience, but you worked in last company for 6 months only, and before that you have worked 3.5 months in one 3.5 year in one company. So you will write down the name of company in which you have 3.5 year of experience, right? If you have 0 experience, you will write down 0 over here. And if you, in same, you will write down NA if you don't have experience in any company. Then you will upload your experience certificate. Always make sure your documents are in this synchronization only. We have written how you will write down this name of your file. You will upload your experience certificate. If you do not have experience certificate, you cannot mention your experience over here. Only valid certificates are applicable. Very important now, your phone number. We will contact you in case of emergency, company joining, all those informations are required to be shared with company, and quick information to be shared with you. So make sure you're writing your phone number, student phone number on which WhatsApp is working, and make sure you do not change this number, then your email ID, not the email ID which is given by LPU. You will write down your Gmail email ID. Right, you will write down over Gmail email ID, right? Then you will write down your father number. We can always take the father number from UMS, but in case of any, you are not available and company wants to join the interview, so we have to give quick informations. For that, you need to provide the correct father phone number, Indian phone number. So another details which are asked by company, like you have PAN card, you have DL. If you have, you will write down yes. If you don't have, you write down no. In case of Indian student, you will write down your Aadhaar number also. International student should ignore this option. And if you are an Indian student, you should upload your Aadhaar. How you save your Aadhaar file is also mentioned. Name, registration number, followed you will write down Aadhaar card. Then comes a very important point. You have already taken the basket 1 and basket 2. In which area of your basket you want to do internship in? Basket 1 area or basket 2 area? Right? Ideally, these are the 2 areas. But if a student says, sir, I want to do some another area, ideally it's not preferable, but you can choose any of the option. We will assume that you will be doing that. Now, should I arrange through self or LPU? I have already explained it to you in the initial starting of this video. What do you choose, through LPU or self arrangement? If I am registered, you have both the option. If you are not registered, you have only one option. And at the last, very important, your CV. Soft skill faculty have already vetted your CV. Upload that CV. That CV should also be saved by like this, your name followed by register number, and you will write down CV over here. Updated CV need to be uploaded over here, right? Only caution, the documents which are required to be uploaded in this, they cannot be changed. Every year we inform the students in advance that do not do the mistake. So maximum student avoid it, but some students still, sir, I have uploaded the wrong document, I want to change. I repeat, and it's clearly mentioned, the upload the correct document as it cannot be changed later. All other information you will fill over here. I will provide you the edit rights, like you have selected through LPU, you want to edit it later, you have selected one desired area of internship, you want to edit it later. All these options of edit I will provide you, and we will tell you the time when this form is going to be freezed. So need not to worry about it right now. You just fill your correct information as per your true to understanding. If you want to change it later, we will give you the final date that now we are freezing, check your details again, right? So please quickly fill this form. Further details will be following and shared with the students who will fill this form. Thank you. All the best.